Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the school management system using Python. So user can add the student data, search data, show student data and add faculty, search faculty data and show faculty data. So this project developed using Python programming language and tkinter used to develop the user interface. Let's click on the add student data. It will open the student profile where users have to enter the student name, roll number, age, gender, email and the marks in the PCM like physics, chemistry, and maths. So let's enter the details one by one. I'm just entering the demo details. Enter the marks in physics, chemistry, and maths. Total. Then click on add button. Data added successfully. You can search the data from the roll number. After clicking the search, it will fetch the data. Okay, let's close it and click on source and data. So it will fetch the details from database like the student name, roll number, age, gender, the complete information related to student data. Let's close it. Now click on the add faculty data. So it will open the faculty name, faculty ID, faculty age, gender and email. So let's enter details one by one. I'm just entering the demo details. Faculty age, gender and the email. Then click on add button. It will store data in database. We are using SQLite 3 database. Okay, now data added successfully. You can search from the faculty ID. Let's enter the ID and click on search button. So it will fetch data from the faculty database. Okay, let's click on the show faculty data. It will fetch the details from the database. It will show the faculty name, faculty ID, age, gender and email address. Okay, this is the complete project. If you in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.